Okay, we're going to start drawing our pig, and I like to start with the snout or the nose of the animal. And this is the snout, and then you can draw the eye, a circle for the eye, and another circle for the other eye. Then an inside circle and another inside circle with a little circle for the highlight in the eye. And then we're going to color in the eye, the pupil black. Then we're going to start up here, make a U shape that just curves out a little bit. And for the chin, it's going to go down a little bit for the mouth and up a little bit and around for the face. And it's almost like a U. And you put a little circle in there, a little half U for the mouth, and just a little smaller line for the chin. And then you write a little circle for the nose, for the snout, and then put on top of the head a line there. And then we're going to make the ears, and I like to do them a little bit pointy. And this ear goes a little bit pointy. And then the inside, the pink area of the ear. Same for the other one. And then some eyebrows and eyelashes. And there you have the face. Now for the body, halfway in between his head, make a rounded line, a curved line down to his foot. For the leg, start up there and come down and across. And there you have a leg. And right here is his chest. So right underneath his chin, we're going to make a little line to the right for his chest, and then we make a line for his leg. And it's down even with this leg, and then across, and the other side of the leg. Then you continue this line where this chest line comes, you start over here, and you make the rest of his belly. And now we'll do the back leg, and we'll do the front leg on the other side. And we put his hoofs in here, curved fingernails, and pigs have a curly tail, so we'll make a little curly tail. And then there might be a little mouse coming around to see the pig. So we're going to start with the face, a circle for the head of the mouse, a little dot for the nose, and a bigger circle for the ear, and then the inner circle for the ear, and the other ear on, there we go, on the outside of that. And now you start from this spot just like halfway through the head on this side, so we're about halfway, and then you make a nice little round area for the back side. And now his leg and his foot, another circle, and then his foot, and then the arm comes out like that, and then down for his chest, up for his belly. And a mouse also has a curved tail, so we're going to curve his tail right like that, and we'll give him an eye, and some whiskers are kind of out in the air, and the whiskers are here on this side. Then we make some ground because we don't want our animal floating, and this is like mud that the pig is in. There's probably no grass around a pig, And how about one little dandelion that's going to grow inside the pig pen. And that's a line, and that's like a frilly little leaf. And a little leaf out this way. And some more ground around the dandelion and a stem. And then little frilly flower on top. And then you can put some lines out like that for the dandelion. And there you have it. That's a pig. So now we'll paint it in. And we're going to start with a pink pig. Just lightly pink. Any kind of water paints will work. And you just water it down, and we just lightly color it pink. We'll fill in the face. He's so cute, such a cute pig. And fill in the rest of the face. If you have, like, if it's a little bit darker, it's okay, it will all dry. Yeah, you could take some darker areas and put it around the edge and underneath his snout, because it would almost be like a shadow. And now for the body. Around and fill in and kind of outline just real quickly. And then pull down the paint. Spread it out. And fill in the back legs. Okay. That's for the pig. And I think we'll do a little gray mouse. So we're just going to use some black in the watercolor paint here, right here. Whoops. I'm going to take some paint off of that. There we go. And we're going to spread it out. And these are just water paints that you can buy at the dollar store for $1. You can make such a pretty picture. Here's some green for the leaves. And we'll do yellow for the dandelion. There we go. That's a yellow dandelion. We can fill in the ear with brown. And then the hoofs with brown. But then we can do the mouse ear in pink. So right here we're going to put a little bit of pink in the mouse ear. Use the corner of a square brush to get the small areas like this and just dab it in. Outline the mud with some brown. There we go. Just underneath the lines. You don't have to fill in the whole bottom, but if you want to, you can. You can do your picture any way you would like. And there we go for all of the brown, and then a little bit of gray underneath the dandelion, and a little bit of gray underneath the mouse. And it looks like I forgot a little bit of brown right here underneath this dirt. There we go. And that's how you draw a very cute pig.